I'm Katie. Welcome back to the Breastfeeding Den. Today we are going to talk about the Ameda Mya breast pump. The Ameda Mya is a new pump from Ameda that is a light and portable breast pump. It's going to come with a power cord, which you're going to use to charge it, but it doesn't have to be plugged in to use it. So that's a great little feature. When you get the pump, you have the power cord and you have the pump, and then you're going to have two pump kits. In these bags, you're going to have your tubing, which connects from your pump to your backflow protector. This backflow protector is what makes the Ameda Mya a closed system pump. So no milk is going to get from your flange into your tubing and possibly into your motor, because we have this white membrane in your backflow protector that stops it. So you have your tubing, you have your backflow protector, you have your flange, you have your bottle, and on the bottom of the flange is your duckbill valve. You want to make sure when you use your pump, you make sure that your duckbill valve does not have any little tears in it. It's super easy to tear these, so always have backups on hand. You want to make sure that you have a nice good seal with that on the bottom of your flange. Make sure your bottle is securely attached so it doesn't fall off. Make sure that with your backflow protector, when you are assembling this piece, you want to take the silicone part, you want to wrap it around the small, hard, clear plastic piece, and then you want to attach the big, clear plastic piece to the back of it. This way it stays together nice and tight. If you try to do it the other way with putting the soft silicone piece into the bigger piece, it doesn't stay in quite as nicely and it's going to kind of fall apart while you're pumping. So make sure to do the silicone piece over the smaller piece and then put the bigger piece on. Get that nice and firmly attached into the back of your flange, and then take your tubing and attach that to the back of your backflow protector. For single pumping, you're going to use close off valve here to close off the second valve, but you can put two tubes in there so you can pump both breasts at the same time. Now, when you do turn the Ameda Mya pump on, you're going to use the green power button. The Ameda Mya remembers which mode you were in. There are two modes. There's the expression mode and there's the massage mode. The massage mode is where you want to start pumping. That mode is a light, fast suck to kind of mimic when a baby first latches, and they latch on with a light, fast suck to try to get the milk to start flowing. And once the milk starts flowing, they move into deeper, stronger sucks. So you have these light, fast sucks in the massage mode, where your levels range from 1 to 5. Ideally, you want to be able to pump it at 4 or a 5 if your flanges fit you properly. Make sure to check out our video on flange fit if you're not sure about how your flanges are fitting you. Now you're going to stay in this massage mode for 1 to 2 minutes. And then once you notice that your milk is flowing steadily, you want to hit the massage button again to go into the expression mode. In expression mode, there are 10 levels, 1 through 10. So ideally, you want to aim for like a 7 or 8 to get started. But don't be upset if you have to start lower to kind of get used to pumping. It's a whole new sensation. You're going to pump until the milk slows down. And if you have enough milk, then great, you can turn the pump off. And if you need to go through and have another letdown, you can hit that massage button again, go back into letdown mode, trigger another letdown, and then go into expression mode as needed to finish off the pumping session. You want to make sure you charge it. Every night if you're using it a couple times a day, or once a week if you're using it on an infrequent basis. So just pay attention to the battery light, which you'll see ours is flashing on low battery, but that will go up to the 3 bars. So just pay attention you don't get stuck with a dead breast pump at work. It would not be the ideal way to go. So we hope that answers all of your questions on the Ameda Mya breast pump. If you have other questions, please feel free to comment below and send us a question. Feel free to subscribe and also connect with us on Facebook and on Instagram at the BF Den.